Welcome to an exploration of the fascinating world of nutrition, where the food we choose to nourish our bodies can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. In this video, we will delve into the principles of nutrition, uncovering the secrets behind creating a balanced and nutritious diet. From understanding the importance of essential nutrients to exploring the benefits of mindful eating, we will unlock the power of nutrition to optimize our physical and mental vitality. Get ready to embark on a path of discovery, where nutrition becomes the cornerstone of your vibrant and energized life. Meal planning and preparation is a valuable practice that can have a significant impact on an individual's nutrition and overall health. By taking the time to plan meals, individuals can make deliberate and thoughtful choices about the foods they consume, leading to better nutrition outcomes. One of the key benefits of meal planning is that it promotes healthier food choices. When we plan our meals, we have the opportunity to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support our immune system, maintain optimal body functions, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, meal planning and preparation can save time and money. By having a clear plan in place, individuals can streamline their grocery shopping, reducing impulse purchases and food waste. It also eliminates the stress of deciding what to cook daily, as the necessary ingredients are already on hand. This can lead to a more organized and efficient cooking process, ultimately freeing up time for other activities and promoting a healthier lifestyle overall. Healthy snacking is an essential component of a balanced diet and can play a significant role in maintaining energy levels throughout the day while preventing unhealthy food choices. By choosing nutritious snacks wisely, individuals can satisfy their hunger, provide their bodies with essential nutrients, and support overall well-being. Fresh fruit is an excellent option for a healthy snack. It is naturally sweet, packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Apples, bananas, berries, and citrus fruits are all portable and convenient choices. They offer a refreshing and hydrating snack that satisfies cravings for sweetness while providing a host of health benefits. Raw vegetables paired with hummus are another fantastic snacking choice. Vegetables like carrots, celery, bell peppers, and cucumber are low in calories and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Pairing them with hummus, a protein and fiber-rich dip made from chickpeas, adds a savory and satisfying element to the snack. Hummus provides essential nutrients and helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. In addition to these specific snack ideas, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes when snacking. While nutritious snacks can be part of a healthy diet, consuming them in excess can lead to an imbalance in calorie intake. Portion control helps maintain a healthy weight and ensures that snacks provide sustenance without overshadowing the nutritional value of main meals. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including digestion, nutrient absorption, temperature regulation, and the removal of waste products. Emphasizing the importance of hydration and adopting healthy drinking habits can positively impact one's health. One effective way to ensure regular hydration is by carrying a reusable water bottle. By having a water bottle readily available, individuals are more likely to drink water throughout the day. It serves as a visual reminder to stay hydrated and can be conveniently refilled whenever needed. Herbal teas and infused water can be enjoyable alternatives to plain water, adding flavor and variety to the hydration routine. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger, offer a range of health benefits, including relaxation, improved digestion, and immune support. They can be consumed hot or cold, depending on personal preference and the weather. Infused water, made by adding fruits, vegetables, or herbs to water, provides a refreshing and flavorful option that encourages hydration. Examples include cucumber and mint, lemon and ginger, or strawberry and basil combinations. Infused water is an excellent way to enhance the taste of water without adding any calories or sugars. The balanced plate method is a simple yet effective approach to nutrition that can guide individuals toward healthier and more balanced meals. By promoting the concept of a balanced plate, we encourage individuals to include a variety of nutrients in their meals, ensuring a well-rounded and nourishing diet. When following the balanced plate method, a key recommendation is to fill half of the plate with fruits and vegetables. This ensures an adequate intake of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. Fruits and vegetables offer a wide range of flavors, textures, and colors, making meals more enjoyable and visually appealing. They provide vital nutrients that support immune function, promote healthy digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, certain cancers, and obesity. By incorporating the balanced plate method into their meal planning, individuals can create meals that are nutritionally balanced, satisfying, and visually appealing. This approach helps ensure that essential nutrients are present in appropriate proportions, supporting overall health and well-being. It can also simplify meal planning and guide individuals toward making healthier choices when grocery shopping or dining out. Remember, the balanced plate method is a general guideline, and individual nutritional needs may vary. It's always beneficial to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to personalize dietary recommendations and address specific health concerns. Mindful eating is a powerful practice that can transform our relationship with food and bring a heightened sense of awareness to our eating habits. In a fast-paced world where meals are often rushed and distractions abound, practicing mindful eating allows us to reconnect with the present moment and fully engage with the experience of nourishing our bodies. Incorporating mindfulness into our eating habits also involves being aware of our hunger and fullness cues. Before starting a meal, it can be helpful to take a moment to check in with our body and assess our level of hunger. Similarly, throughout the meal, we can periodically pause and gauge our level of fullness. This self-awareness allows us to honor our body's needs and make conscious decisions about when to continue eating and when to stop. In conclusion, embracing mindful eating as a regular practice empowers us to approach meals with intention, presence, and gratitude. By slowing down, chewing thoroughly, savoring the flavors, and being attuned to our body's signals, we can cultivate a healthier relationship with food and derive more pleasure and satisfaction from our meals. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of nutrition. We hope this video has inspired you to prioritize your health and make informed choices regarding the food you consume. To continue on this journey of wellness and gain access to more valuable insights, recipes, and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll stay connected with our community, receive regular updates, and never miss out on the latest information about nutrition and its impact on your well-being. So hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a vibrant and nourishing path together.